Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is the day we finally get this car painted. So yes, hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me once again on the MR2. Today is the day we finally get the colour on. I'm super excited, but at the same time I'm so nervous. I just don't want to mess it up after spending all this time and effort getting this to where it is now. So the whole car is now in 600 grit, it's now nice and smooth, there's no imperfections that I can see, so I'm happy for the colour to go down. So all that's left to do now is mask up all the areas, make sure that it's nice and clean, degrease it. You may notice that we've already put some sheeting above us on the roof. There's loads and loads of cobwebs and stuff, and we didn't want anything dropping down and getting into the freshly laid paint. So that is the way we've stopped that. We've already hoovered all the wall and everything, and we've done the same with the floor, but before we paint, we are going to put the water down to make sure that no dust can then rise up. So a bit of water suppression on the floor. So there's nothing left to do now apart from just prep this car and then actually start shooting the colour. Okay, so the car is now cleaned, degreased, everything's ready to go, it's been masked off, nothing left to do, but now actually lay the colour. Wish me luck. Okay, so that's now 3 coats of 2K finally laid on the MR2 and it looks fantastic. Is it perfect? No, but it doesn't really make a difference because we're now going to be sanding it down with 600 and get it nice and smooth again. There's a few areas where there's some runs and there's some grits that actually got into the paintwork, but again, 600 grit is going to now smooth this completely off, then I'll probably give it another coat. After that, there is some glitter coat that I'm going to be applying and then we're going to lacquer it. Now, with 2K, you don't actually need the lacquer coat, but because I'm going to be applying some glitter, I need to lacquer that glitter coat. So that is all we can do for now. We just need to let this fully cure before we can actually sand it down, and then we can really get it nice and finished. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.